How to make money on Temu affiliate program 2024 tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Temu affiliate link, then get your link. After that, when you have or where you will publish that link to gain a commission from any product that you want from the website. All you have to do is to go to temu.com. Then you have to log in if you have already an account, or sign up. You can sign up easily. It is only will take you about 5 to 10 seconds. You can use the help of Google or Facebook or anything. Now, after you have signed up to the website, the platform will show up like this. There will be a lot of product to buy or to search for, but all we need to do is to go to the affiliate program, which is situated in the bottom of the page. When you see, for example, the company info, this is the link that we are searching for, affiliate. Click for cash. We click on it. I have switched up the navigator, guys, onto the Google Chrome to get a better experience. I don't know why the Edge navigator keeps bugging. Now we have clicked on the link. We can see now we are on the Temu affiliate program. Here, at the beginning, when you sign up to the affiliate program, they will give you a $5 cash to withdraw or to use for the website. Now let's go to the share to earn, which is the program or the referral benefits that you will get from sharing up the links or the code that you have on multiple products or the products that you are going to promote or to invite friends to buy them. Now we have the $100 coupon bundle. This is a new reinstalled user. For example, you have a new user that you gave them this link. They will get benefits of $100 coupon bundle. It is not a 100 cash, for example, to spend, but they will get a value of 100 coupons. It depends on the store and how they are going to use them in different stores. And of course, they will get 30% off with the code that you will give them. Now for the free gifts, new app user. If you are a new app user, you will get free gifts, and of course you will get a exclusive deal when sharing your code. Here, what you are going to earn: refer users with your affiliate link code, new app users first download or reinstalled users over 14 days, they will get up to 20 you will get up to 20% commission, and you will get extra $5 on the download reward. You can make this share to earn. You get only a link, then you have to share it with your friends or a Facebook group or anything that you are going through the social media platforms. You can simplify the sharing by submitting to coupon sites. This is the simplest way that the site is giving you to share the coupons or the codes or the affiliate links that they are giving you to make the job easier for you. You can submit to coupon sites, share in Facebook groups, as I said, publish on content site. For example, you have a website that create contents or write contents about deals and something like this. You can publish them on it. Send to your friends. Add the link to your bio. For example, you have a Pinterest or Instagram account and you have your bio. Since you have a known account, you can add your link and they will click on it to help you or to support you. In the same time, you will receive commissions. Or you can include the link / code in your post. This is for the website posts. Now, let's go, for example, to the items. I want to pick up an item. Then I will go, for example, to a social media platform. And then I will share it. Let's select an item or explore some items. For example, you can see that the commissions that you will receive are shown up right here. on the share, there are a flash here. For example, this bag, yeah, will get up to $5.07 when, for example, I pick up this and share its link. Now, for example, let's see and use a product. Then we will try to apply the example that we are going to share with the social media apps. I will go with Instagram or Pinterest. I think I will go with Pinterest since it is very easy to create a post then, and the photos or the videos are very popular with it. I will go with, for example, this coolest alarm clock. We have this product. When you click on the product, you will get the description and the title of the product itself. All you have to do is to go back to this page. It will be opened, and then you click on this share button. You click on it and you get the share text, you get the item link, and you get the image. All you have to do is for example, save the image and then share the text. Here are the image that will show up, for example, on the website or the embed code. It will show up the image of the product, the website, which is Temu, the title, the offer, and you'll make a little guide for them. Long press to the picture to save it to the album. Open Temu and scan to view. I will share the text. Here, earn commission rewards only when your referral is in your region. This is the $5 per new user download or per new order. I will go with the Pinterest, for example, or I will go back to and share the link, the item link. This is the item or the link that I need. I will try to open it up to see if it works, and you can see that the item is working, so the users would get the item itself. All we have to do, since we have copied the link Pinterest page, I have created a business account on Pinterest. To create a business account on Pinterest is to create a pin on the create, or for example create pin for ad. I will create a normal pin, then it will guide us to this particular case. I will go, for example, to the product. I will take the image, will go back to my Pinterest account, then we have the image right here. For the title, I will go with the same, not the same, but the short title, the coolest alarm clock ever. I will give you a tip for how to get this title correctly. You have to go back to I will go to the home feed, then I will type the title of the product and see if there are some similar texts. You will see these similar images. This is the title that we are seeking for. We will go like this, then we add this title. I will go back with the title. I will make it a cool title. For the description, we go back to our website, then we go for the description that we have. You can generate a description, or you can make a title with using only the ChatGPT, or for example SEO parameters or settings. Now we have this setup. Let's go, for example, with the description, and then add the price $17. Then you can add the link that we have copied, and we paste it right here. The boards, you can create your own board, or choose your own. The text, this is very necessary to make. For example, the text, I will go with alarm. I will copy a tag, go with alarm clocks, wireless, for example, chargers. This is a tag. Router, charger. I will go with charger. You can choose whatever tag that suits you, and then you can publish it later or promote it. And here, this is a very important point, guys. When, for example, to put the link of the product, sometimes or most of the times these platforms such as Pinterest and Instagram doesn't support, or they are not affiliate link friendly. So you can, for example, get this link not to work or something like this. And I highly recommend you to go to Google Sites, then create a landing page or a product page for this product. This is the Google Sites. I have created a product page for many products, and this is a example. For example, this keto diet method. I have the description. This is a image of the pin that I have created lately. Now the description of the product. You can create your product page like this. Make the image, then a little description or the title of the product that you are selling. Then you add a button from the side bar, and you only need to copy the or paste your link on the button and update it. Then the customers will go to the first the product page, then they will go to the website. That's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on the next one.